If you've followed Liberty Walk and its creations over the years, its Toyota 86 Project 1T really come as a surprise. Getting a wide-body treatment that is similar to the Japanese tuner's other projects, the 86 looks more track-ready than ever. We reassure aerodynamic experts however would have a thing or two to say about the Liberty Walk body kit, and whether it actually improves aerodynamics on the rear-wheel drive sports car. But really, most enthusiasts that opt for a Liberty Walk kit aren't doing it for performance improvements, they're doing it for the looks. Customers can choose from two different body kits, one that is lip type and the other that is bumper type. The lip type kit comes with a front diffuser, rear wing, and wide fenders, and costs either $5,340 with the large spoiler, or $4,470 for the more subtle extended trunk spoiler. The other kit replaces the front diffuser with an entire front bumper, which raises the price just a tad. The large spoiler option costs $5,770 while the smaller spoiler runs $4,900. Now that the kit is out in the wild, expect to see a few projects wearing it at the 2018 SEMA show in Las Vegas later this year.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.